Hello guys, if you are playing Madden 27 on Xbox Series X or S and you wanna play with your friends on PS5, you can add them through EA Connect and then invite them to a game. First, press the R3 button on your controller and this will open EA Connect. From here, switch over to the player search section where you can search for your friend using their EA ID, and if you need to share your own EA ID with your friend, you can find it in the top right corner of this same menu. So enter your friend's EID into the player search, find their account and send them a friend request. Once your friend accepts the request, they'll show up in your friend section inside EA Connect. Now you can back out of EA Connect and go to online head-to-head. From here, select head-to-head play a friend. You'll then get the option to adjust your game settings. So set those however you want and continue. After that, select the friend you wanna play with and send them the invite. Once your friend joins the game, you'll both be able to select your teams and then start the match. And that's how you can play Madden 27 with your PS5 friends while you're on Xbox Series X or S. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.